Hello guys, a warm welcome to my channel PT Eco Hub. Let's start with most repeated PT Eco email. 1. Write an email to your neighbor who has just moved in and ask him, her to address some issues. The email should have at least 100 words. The issues mentioned in the email should include the following 3 words: noise, parking, garbage. Another version of this email. Write an email to your landlord, Mr. Jones, complaining about a new neighbor. In your email, include issues related to parking, concerns about garbage disposal, complaints about excessive noise. Explanation of this email: Dear neighbor, I hope you are doing well. I am writing to express some concerns regarding excessive noise, parking issues, and garbage disposal problems caused by the new neighbor who recently moved in next door. Over the past 2 days, my neighbor has been making excessive noise, which has been quite disruptive. Additionally, I am concerned about the parking situation, as there has been no space for my car, making it difficult to park. Finally, I would like to address the issue of garbage disposal. An unpleasant odor has been emanating from the building due to overflowing bins. Thank you for your time and consideration. Best wishes, John Matthew. 2. As a parent, you write an email to other parents and invite their children to take part in your child's birthday party. Your email should include the following 3 themes: when and where will the party be held, what food will be served, what activities will be arranged. Hey parents, I hope you are doing well. How's your family? I am excited to invite your children to take part in my child's birthday party. I will share all the party details, including the date, time, and location. The party will be held on July 25th at 11 am at Gandhi Mall. I have planned a variety of delicious food options for the party, including both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes like cookies, burgers, and pizza. To make the event even more exciting, I have arranged several fun activities and games for the children, such as a photo shoot, video games, and cricket. I look forward to celebrating with you all. Let's catch up soon. Take care, Sophia Mitchell. 3. You have been given the task of inviting Alex's friends to his birthday party. Write an email welcoming his friends to the party and include the following details: date, time and location of the party, food that will be served, activities planned for the party. Dear Alex's friends, I hope you are doing well. How's your family? I am excited to invite Alex's friends to his birthday party and warmly welcome all of them to celebrate with us. I will share all the details of the party, such as the date, time, and location. The party will be held on July 25th at 10 am at Gandhi Mall. I have planned a variety of delicious food options for the party, including both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes, such as pizza, burgers, and cookies. To make the event even more exciting, we have arranged several fun activities and games for children, like video games, football, and cricket. I look forward to celebrating with you all. Best regards, Paul Miller, Sophia Mitchell. 4. Sports Club. You are a member of the sports club, which is having a party. Write an email to Mrs. Singh, the president of the sports club, discussing about the following 3 suggestions: music, food, games. Dear Mrs. Singh, I am writing this email to Mrs. Singh, the president of the sports club. I would like to share 3 suggestions for the upcoming sports club party. I am a member of the sports club. I believe music plays a crucial role at the party. Different types of music, such as hip-hop and Punjabi music, will be played. I have arranged a variety of delicious food options, including both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes like cookies and burgers. To make the event even more exciting, I have planned several fun activities and games for the children, such as cricket and video games. I look forward to your response. Best regards, Sophia Mitchell. 5. Your friend invites you to see a movie, but you cannot go. Write an email to your friend and your email should be at least 100 words. Your email must focus on the following 3 themes: thanking him, her for inviting you, explain why you cannot go with him, her proposing to see a movie some other day. Hey Lily, I hope you are doing well. How's your family? I am writing this email to express my gratitude for the invitation. You really made my day. Thank you so much for inviting me to see a movie. I really appreciate your kind gesture, and I was delighted to receive your invitation. Unfortunately, I have some unexpected commitments, so I won't be able to join you this weekend. I sincerely apologize for my unavailability and hope you understand. Please let me know if you're free, we can make plan another day soon. I think we should watch the True Story movie coming out on Tuesday. Let's catch up soon. Take care, Sophia Mitchell. 6. Your friend has invited you for a movie on Tuesday evening. Write an email to your friend with the following information. Thank her for the invitation, reason for not being able to join, make an alternate arrangement. Dear friend, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing this email to my friend to see a movie. I truly appreciate your gesture. Firstly, I would like to shed some light on the invitation. Thank you so much for inviting me to see a movie. You really made my day. Additionally, I have some unexpected commitments at home. That's why I am not able to join you this time. I am disappointed, but I hope you understand. Finally, we can make alternative arrangements to see a movie another day. I think we should see a true-based story movie that comes out on Tuesday. I look forward to celebrating with you. Best wishes, John Matthew. 7. You have been asked by your friend for help in moving the furniture, but you are unable to go. Compose an email to your friend politely declining their request by including the following points. Express gratitude for the invitation to help. Apologize for not being able to assist. Provide reasons such as work commitments, transportation limitations, and family responsibilities. Offer alternative ways to help or support, if possible. Another version, write an email to your friend who has asked you to help him to move furniture on the weekend. Suggest 3 reasons you cannot help him: work, transport, family commitment. Dear Emily, I am writing to my friend, who asked for my help with moving furniture this weekend. I would have loved to assist. I would like to express my gratitude for the invitation to help move furniture, and I truly appreciate your kind gesture. Unfortunately, I won't be able to assist due to prior work commitments and family responsibilities. Additionally, transportation limitations make it difficult for me to get there. I sincerely apologize for not being able to join you. However, I would still like to support you in any way possible. If need any suggestions to make the move easier, please let me know. Let's catch up soon. Take care, Sophia Mitchell. 9. You have been facing several issues in your apartment. Compose an email to your landlord addressing a hot water issue and noise from neighbors. Include the following details. Describe the hot water problem. Explain the disturbance caused by noise from neighbors. Request assistance or action to resolve both issues. Dear landlord, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to bring to your attention a couple of ongoing issues, specifically regarding the hot water supply and noise from my neighbors. Firstly, I have been facing several issues in my apartment, such as the hot water supply, making it quite inconvenient, especially during the mornings and evenings. Additionally, I am often disturbed by loud music from my neighbors, especially in the evenings when I return home from work. I would greatly appreciate your assistance in resolving both issues as soon as possible. I appreciate your understanding and support. Thank you for your attention to these issues. Best regards, John Matthew. Another version. Write an email to Marvin, the owner of the apartment, regarding a water problem. Include the following details. Describe the water problem. Specify when the issue was noticed. Request assistance or action to resolve the problem. Dear Marvin, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to Marvin, the owner of the apartment. I am writing to bring to your attention an ongoing issues, specifically regarding the hot water problem. Firstly, I would like to highlight the issue with the water supply in the bathroom. The hot water is not functioning properly, making it difficult to take a proper shower. Additionally, could you please let me know when these issues were first noticed? I hope you understand my concern. Finally, I kindly request you please take action to resolve both issues as soon as possible. I appreciate your understanding and support. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Best wishes, John Matthew. Thus, you are known for your gardening expertise and have been asked to give some tips to your friends. Write an email providing advice on gardening, focusing on soils, water, and methods. Recommend the best types of soil for different plants. Share tips on proper watering techniques. Describe effective gardening methods to ensure healthy plant growth. Dear friends, I am writing this email to my friends, and I am excited to share some gardening tips and advice with you, focusing on soils, watering techniques, and effective gardening methods. Firstly, I would like to discuss the best types of soil for different plants. For example, black soil is ideal for cotton plants. Additionally, I want to share some tips on proper watering techniques, including sparkling water can help plants by promoting root growth and improving nutrient absorption. Finally, there are many effective gardening methods, but container gardening is one of the best for ensuring healthy plant growth. I hope these suggestions are helpful. Best regards, John Matthew. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel PT Eco Hub. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe.